Today we're going to open 3 more packs of the Fleer 1990 baseball. Here's pack number 4. Here's your cards. Todd Benzinger, first base, Cincinnati. Jermaine Navarro, pitcher, Milwaukee Brewers. Steve Bedrosian, pitcher, Giants. Kevin Romaine, outfield, Boston. Shawon Dunston, shortstop, Cubs. Rob Deere, outfield, Milwaukee. Lee Stevens, outfield, Angels. Dave West, pitcher, Twins. Scott Sanderson, pitcher, Cubs. Matt Noakes, catcher, Detroit. Bip Roberts, second base, San Diego. It's double card. Chuck McElroy, pitcher, Phillies. Moses Alou, outfield, Pittsburgh. Jose Vizcaíno, shortstop, Dodgers. Mike Jeffcoat, pitcher, Texas. Dennis Martinez, pitcher, Montreal. Here's your Fleer Action Series card. Seattle Mariners, Oakland A's, Minnesota Twins, New York Yankees. And on the back side is your baseball quiz. Here's pack 5. Here's your cards. Don Mattingly, first base, Yankees. Jose Augusto, pitcher, Astros. Claudell Washington, outfielder, Angels. Dwayne Ward, pitcher, Toronto. Rick Honeycutt, pitcher, A's. Rick Jordan, first base, Phillies. Lee Mazzilli, outfielder, Toronto. Mike Lavallere, catcher, Pirates. Juan Berenger, pitcher, Twins. And here is a Fleer All-Star Team, Mickey Tettleton. Here's a dual card. Matt Kinzer, pitcher, St. Louis. Wayne Edwards, pitcher, Chicago White Sox. Rick Reed, pitcher, Pirates. Keith Comstock, pitcher, Seattle Mariners. Willie McGee, outfield, St. Louis. Mike Boddicker, pitcher, Boston. Here's your Fleer Action Series. It's a Giants card. On the back side again is the baseball quiz. Here's pack number 6. Here's your cards. Ken Oberkfell, infield, Giants. Rick Gedman, catcher, Boston. Mitch Williams, pitcher, Cubs. Dan Plesac, pitcher, Milwaukee. Jack Howell, third base, Angels. Carmen Castillo, outfield, Minnesota. Lloyd McClendon, catcher, Cubs. Jack Morris, pitcher, Detroit. Mark Grant, pitcher, San Diego. Here's a dual card. Rudy Sinez, pitcher, Cleveland. Colin Charlin, pitcher, California Angels. Lenny Harris, infield, Dodgers. Drew Hall, pitcher, Rangers. Mark Langston, pitcher, Montreal. Jeff Montgomery, pitcher, Royals. Mark Parrott, catcher, San Diego. Here's your Fleer Action Series card, Toronto Blue Jays. On the back side is the baseball quiz. Stay with us, we got more cards coming.